So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of 100% disk usage if it occur on your devices. Now, in order to fix that, all you need to do is to just simply press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Inside the run prompt, you need to type this prompt, that is services.msc. Once you open it, you'll notice that multiple services will appear right in front of you. Here you need to locate a service that's named as access main. It's right there, you'll notice. Now just simply right click on that particular service, hit on this option of properties. Under here you just simply need to restart this process. So just simply either stop the process or just simply hit on this option of disable, hit apply and OK. Now again come back to it and hit on this option of automatic. Once you do it, you'll notice that the process, that the disk usage that have been going to 100% will now definitely get reduced.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.